I'm Tasneem. We're digital marketers specialized in YouTube, and today we're here to talk about your YouTube channel, right?
Okay.
Okay, so tell me, what is your end goal in YouTube and what are your questions? You can ask me, I will be answering all of your questions.
Just basically to get more subscriptions. I'm doing this trip to Australia for a children's cancer charity back in the
Mm-hmm.
UK. And my way of raising money for the children's cancer is to give them the money that I get from any videos that I've shown have been monetized for my trip. So I
Mm-hmm.
want to get monetized so that I can pass the
নতুন
money on.
অনলাইন ব্যাচে ভর্তি চলতেছে। সিট সংখ্যা খুবই সীমিত। ভর্তি হওয়ার সকল ইনফরমেশন এই ভিডিও ডেসক্রিপশনে দেয়া আছে।
Pass the money on to the charity.
Okay, so I get it. So I have seen your channel. Your content is pretty cool, but the problem with your content is that your videos are not optimized properly. Your channels and
Okay.
its videos are not optimized properly. Because of that, you're not getting enough views and subscribers, whatever it is. If we can optimize your channel, if we can do some keyword research, and then we can put those keywords into your titles, descriptions, and tags, all these area, then it will automatically, YouTube algorithm will understand your videos in a more better way. And once it does that, your engagements, views, subscriptions will go up, itself. So that's
Okay.
what we do. So if you have any question related to this, you can ask me.
Well, I mean, I'm at the moment, I'm not willing to give out any information for anybody else to get into my YouTube channel. I'm not prepared to do that. If there's another way that we can do it, I think we spoke earlier on where you said, okay, we'll do it without you logging in.
Yeah, of course,
Let's
we
give,
will
let's,
not require any ID or password from you.
নতুন
We don't.
অনলাইন ব্যাচে ভর্তি চলতেছে। সিট সংখ্যা খুবই সীমিত। ভর্তি হওয়ার সকল ইনফরমেশন এই ভিডিও ডেসক্রিপশনে দেয়া আছে।
We don't need
works, and
that.
if it works, then I will by all means send you some money.
See, there is no need of sharing your ID or password. That is your privacy. What we will do, if you go to your YouTube studio, you can go there and you can see there is an option called permission. On that permission tab, you will find us a new tab where you can give us manager, or let's say editor access. And if you can give us editor access, we can do that from here on our computers. And
Yeah,
with
no,
editors,
I'm call me suspicious, but I'm not prepared to give anybody else any access to my channel. I'm sorry.
see, with editor access, editors can't do anything to your channel other than editing the content. And editing
Okay, well,
means
let me
the
read up
editing
about
the.
that first.
Okay, you can go to
Yeah.
Google, you can do ChatGPT or whatever you want. You can do some your own research and you will find out editors can't do anything. They can just edit your videos, like they can add cuts to your videos. They can add, let's say, end screens. They can add, new thumbnails, all these areas, titles, description, tags. They can do this much only. Other than that, editors has no power. And on top of
Okay.
that, let's say if you have given us the editor permission and let's say we have done something wrong, with just one click you can remove us anytime you want. And even if you want, if you have your YouTube logged into your let's say mobile or computer, I can walk you through that right away. Or also you can just Google it and you can ask your questions to Google or ChatGPT or any AI. Nowadays you have options, right? You can do that, you can do your own research and you can get back to me. See,
Okay.
we are
Let me do
professionals, right?
some research. Because obviously, you know.
নতুন অনলাইন ব্যাচে ভর্তি চলতেছে। সিট সংখ্যা খুবই সীমিত। ভর্তি হওয়ার সকল ইনফরমেশন এই ভিডিও ডেসক্রিপশনে দেয়া আছে।
Suggesting that at all, but obviously I've got to, I've got to look at. I mean, I'm here now. I've got all night to look at this. So let me research about editor permissions. Let me get back to you later on today. And if I'm
Okay, of
happy with
course.
what I read on Google, then we'll give it
Okay.
a go.
Okay, of course. So,
Okay.
because see, in the future also, if you're hiring any editor or anyone for your channel, let's say if your channel goes to 1 million, or let's not talk about 1 million, let's talk about if your channel goes to 10,000, you have to improve your content quality, right? to do that, you will be needing graphics designers, video editors, but you can't just come to everybody and give access like that, right? You have to use your YouTube studio for that. So,
Okay.
and we are professionals, right? We earn salary from your, let's say, channel. So we would never be able to do anything that, harms your channel. But yeah, you can do your research. If you want to come back, I will be showing you my channel or whatever, if you feel like some of our clients that we have been working on. And yeah, we can do that. So
Okay.
let's take your
Okay.
time.
Let me have a good
Do some-
let me have a
okay.
good research tonight,
Mhm.
and I'll definitely get back to you either way.
Okay. Meanwhile, if you have any
Okay.
questions, you can knock my friend. He will connect you to me. Okay.
Okay, lovely. Thank you very much.
Okay. Have a great day. Bye bye.
Bye bye.